Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see ya. Hope you're having a great day. And around here, it's football season, guys. And we're thinking tailgating food, or at least game day food, like we're doing here at the house. Games are on, we're excited. And for the next few weeks, next several weeks actually, we're going to be bringing you some of our favorite game day foods. Whether you're tailgating at the game or whether you're at home tailgating. Just doing good old wholesome tailgate food. So today, guys, I'm bringing you, as you've seen, I was cutting up some potato slices. They're about 1/4 inch thick. We're gonna do some good old grilled potatoes with some cheese and bacon, creamy goodness going on there. And one of my favorite, anybody that knows me knows I love hamburgers. I love a good old hamburger. We're gonna do a good old classic bacon cheeseburger outside on the grill using some good old prime 6 charcoal. So guys, let's get going. Cutting these up in just like little 1/4 inch slices. We're a little early. I'm not going to show you all of this. We're going to get these on some water and let them sit for about a half an hour or so and let them de-starch a little. Hey guys, just a little further prep work. As you can see, we got 6, they're roughly 1/3 pound balls of meat. I like smash burgers, but we're doing this on the grill, so I'm just going to pre-smash these before they go on the grill. This is 80/20 ground chuck, and this is basically how I do that. We're going to do that and just pre-prep. This is parchment paper, just to prevent sticking. Make some good looking burgers that way, don't they? Okay, I'll just take a pair of scissors and cut these out in individual patties. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and season up one side of these. This is at Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. I've used that on a lot of steaks. Also good on these burgers. I'll season the other side once we're on the grill. I'm tapping it so I don't make a big mess. Alright guys, you see I got my potatoes dried off here, all set out. I just got my misto can, there's some olive oil in here, and I'm just going to spray the tops of these down. Don't need a whole lot of oil. Just got my french fry seasoning, and I've showed that to you recently. And I'm just going to give these guys a good little dusting. Can't forget these guys over here. Guys, we're just going to give these a flip and repeat it. Do the same thing on both sides. Alright folks, we're going to get this show started here. Everything's up to temp, everything's looking good. I've got some bacon. I got 8 slices, just thin slice. I think it's hickory smoked bacon. Got it in this pan. I got it elevated on a screen in hopes that I don't start a big grease fire. So we'll keep an eye on that. Might have to turn it here in a little bit, but here we go. Bacon is coming in just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing some potatoes on here. Get them cooking up. I gotta keep an eye on everything. I don't know if I can get them all on at once or not. Get them all cooking. We'll get them all grilled off eventually. Alright guys, we'll check back in a bit. Oopsie on me, guys. I think I accidentally cut off the airflow. That lost my fire. I think we're back in good shape now. Little panicking going on. I'm gonna get a few of these turned. Oh yeah, we're cooking. Just a little slower than I anticipated. Alright, we'll be back in a minute and move things around. Alright guys, we're going to start moving this into the final phase. Pulling this over to indirect heat on my potatoes. Some got a little bit more crispy than others. That's okay. I have to do some moving around here because we got a little short bed of charcoal. This on. Notice I'm not using any smoke. I'm just coming in with that fine flavor of the Prime 6 charcoal, guys. One more. Go ahead and season the other side of this. Set back here in a few minutes. Alright, a couple of these are ready. Let a couple go a few minutes more, a couple minutes more. Alright folks, if you can see past this little grease smoke, I'm going to start laying down some cheese on these potatoes. Everything's done. We just want to get some love on here. While these burgers finish up. And some bacon bits on here, guys. Get some flavor in that. Game day action going on. Alright guys, get these potatoes off of here. Get 3 of these burgers inside so my family can get fed. And I'll come back and finish mine up. We'll come back and get us a taste test, guys. Alright guys, let's build this burger. Just a little mayonnaise on the bottom. I did not toast the buns tonight, guys. Did that on purpose. So they're gonna come in with a couple slices of lettuce. Right on the bottom. A tomato. 1 piece of burger. A couple slices of bacon. Another burger patty. Who's counting, right? A couple more pieces of bacon. Straight up mustard right on top. Oops. Would you look at that? This bad boy over here. Check out these guys. I don't know how many I can eat, but I know how many I'm going to try to eat. Get a load of that. Hey guys, how about that monster Game Day burger? Yeah, let's get this thing going here. I don't think I can fit that in my mouth. It's really good. The bacon, extra bacon there. If you notice, I did not use any other smoke other than just the Prime 6 charcoal. I did that on purpose because I'm telling you, what the Prime 6 differs from other charcoal, it just burns cleaner. And it's almost like cooking over firewood. I think I've said that before, but check out these little potato bites. Put the bacon, cheddar cheese on there. One fell off. Go get it. That's pretty good. It's very good. I've had these, never made them. Wow, guys. Guys, I hope your team won, unless they were playing my team. So, guys, thank you as always. Little tailgating, little game day cooking. You're gonna see some of this in the next few weeks as we go forward. So guys, as always, thank you. God bless you. We'll see you on the next cook. Bye-bye.